What's going on, guys? My name is Piers. I invest in service accommodation business, as you know. I hope you have been watching all my videos in my channel. So in this video, I wanted to share you my screen, give you some of the exciting news of what's possible in Airbnb in 2020. And do you know what? At the moment, I've been working with a lot of service accommodation owners in the country. Now, some of them being as small as they've just started Airbnb business or service accommodation business in the last few months, and some of them have actually ran service accommodation business as a portfolio client. I mean, potentially last 2 years. So listen, I'm absolutely excited. I've got so much details to share with you guys today in this video. I hope you guys are keeping well, keeping safe. Look, if you can hit that subscribe button and a like button in this video, that'd be amazing. Number of things I want to mention on this video actually. So this client is an Airbnb owner or service accommodation owner who's been running this business, and when after this pandemic, now we're in September, October time, when we first started working with this client, I know, I'll be sharing you some of the screenshot anyway, but we know that she had been getting very little leads through her Airbnb channel. Most of her business was either through some of the direct bookings as well, and also online travel agents such as booking.com. So the exciting thing now is, guys, when we onboarded this client, there was, she had very little interest, nothing as much, no lead generation at all. So what I want to do in this video is I want to show you how me and my team, we generally look after your portfolio. We look after, what's going to, depending on the type of listing really, because different places have different type of listings and attract different kind of clienteles. And what we've done is we've really gone in and really made sure that every single listing of this client has been actually updated, has been boosted. We call it, me and our team, we call it boosting Airbnb, and we've done everything to now today. She had just over 8 leads online. That is worth over £18,000. So I will be sharing you on my screenshots in a minute. So guys, without further ado, let me show you my screen and we're going to crack on and look at some numbers, what we've achieved for this client. And the reason why I'm sharing you all of this is you get to understand what are the things that we're kind of looking at the back end, and also effectively, what does that mean in reflect to you getting more sales? So let's have a look at the screen right now. So as you can see, this is my client's back end, and currently we have got £2,721 on booking, and it's October just 5th. It's also showing how many 30 days bookings he's got and 30 days views. Now, what I'm excited to show you is the performance side, mainly the views on their performance on per unit, because that always gives a true indication of A, how many people are clicking on your listings, and B, how many people are actually physically going into your listing and looking at the opportunities that you provide. So let's have a look at their views. And what I'm so proud about and what I want to really share in this case is, as you can see, we onboarded this client I think it was about 23rd, 24th of September. And as you can see, what's happened in this chart is in the last few weeks, they have kind of steady win over. Now, I must say their unit's actually really good looking unit. So my expectation always was let's increase this in a short space of time, because we work with clients for only 4 weeks. But you can see here that that's kind of the week we started working together, and my team actually made the online boost, OTA boost that we do for all our onboarding clients, and we started working on their online OTA straight away, especially the back end side of things. And boom, literally a week later, and we are on it, and we are now double the views. So the market, if you can see, similar listings are getting 424 views versus my clients actually getting 1,064 views, which is double compared to what the market is. And that is where it attracts a lot of eyeballs to the listing, and then you get more inquiries, and when you get more inquiries, you convert them into bookings. One of the very proud thing you can see on each listing we've done, and some of them, just to let you know, are we've just added it and we've kind of started working on the listing itself, or some of them are actually fully booked, and that's why you can see a drop down on the actual figures. But look at the change. After the change and the page view, we are up massively on every single unit, and this is exactly what I like to share. What you can achieve on Airbnb is so important, and yeah, we are very proud to get this client an overall of 8 leads. So let me now quickly turn around and I'll show you a picture now. Right, as you can see from the screen, guys, so this is a post that I created for my social media, and we said in a week, just from Airbnb itself, as you can see from the screen, we created nearly £19,000 worth of lead generation for this specific client. And the beauty is, guys, it's where this client was getting no leads at all to now, literally in a week, working with us. Now, I always say this to my client, that it's not just about today. What we've done is going to reward you for years to come running service accommodation business and Airbnb business. But just in a week to bang in 8 leads worth £19,000 is so fantastic of my team. And me and my team work really hard to create results like this for our brand builder clients. So if you're a service accommodation owner and you're struggling to get leads, you're struggling to fill up your units, come with us. We will actually go through a quick discovery call to let you know exactly how things work, and then eventually, once we do that, we will work. Once we agree to work together, we'll show you exactly how the brand builder process works and why effectively you are getting leads, and why you're getting more views, which is effectively why you're getting more lead generation. So very exciting thing that we've just achieved for this client. Well, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about how me and my clients are getting this kind of bookings, especially in the last few weeks and months, I've uploaded on my YouTube channel some of the results I've been getting from my clients. I've actually done a free masterclass, which I'm going to leave a link down below. Do go and check it out, because it kind of gives you an idea of where you are as a service accommodation owner or an Airbnb owner, and how you can transition yourself into a brand builder, and how your brand's going to work for you to pretty much get those direct bookings, or effectively get those smarter long-term bookings through online OTA. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love creating videos like this where I've been able to show you how it's not just about getting direct bookings, it's how do you see that clients potentially, or yourself, are potentially getting more views, and how that more views getting you more leads, and then you converting those leads into bookings. So look, if you've got any questions about service accommodation business or Airbnb business, please leave it in the comment down below. I will be covering more videos, which I'll be doing a lot of Q&As as well, and I'll bring in some guests in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you're giving this video a massive like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you a lot more videos.